Okay, you guys, I just got a package from Woxer. I will tag them, and I wanted to do an unboxing because this is very big news. This is the first brand to send me stuff, and I'm so honored and so happy that they chose me. So far, this is what we're looking at. Let's see. I have no idea what pattern they sent me, and I'm a size medium for everything. Y'all, these are the bottoms. Oh, I cannot wait to try these on. Okay. And oh my gosh. Dude, this is so soft. Wait. This is actually the softest material. Oh my gosh. Nice thick band too. Look at that. Okay. All right, let's try this on. Okay, you guys. I'm officially obsessed. The fit, again, I got a medium for both. The fit is literally so comfortable. There are no annoying seams. There's nothing pinching. Sports bra, really great quality, nice thick band. Oh yeah, I'm obsessed. All right, full body moment. Yes. Yes. I could definitely wear these under jeans too. 10 out of 10 would recommend.